I just have to say, what a gorgeous color of blue this is. This is a stunning shade. Today we're trying a bloody lip tint from Sushy Glow Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Hypoxia, which is a beautiful blue shade. I'm really excited to try out this unique lip tint. You don't normally find a lot of blue lip tints, so I'm really excited to try this one. As per the instructions on the box, you're supposed to shake it, and when applying it, you're supposed to leave it on for a few minutes and leave it. You don't need to wipe it off or anything like that. Wow, that's really blue. I just have to say, what a gorgeous color of blue this is. This is a stunning shade. I love this. This is absolutely beautiful. Just a really nice dark blue. I was kind of surprised that it was as dark as it was. I prefer a darker lip, so I'm really happy with this shade. I could see a lot of gothic and alternative makeup looks using something like this. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And since it's a lip tint, this color is going to last a really long time. I think this is a beautiful blue lip tint and would definitely recommend if you're into doing gothic or unique makeup looks.